Wherever Jesus went, many would follow, and always a great crowd came together. On one occasion, a man in the crowd stepped forward
and asked Jesus, "Master, speak to my brother, that he divide the inheritance with me."
Jesus replied to him, "Man, who made me a judge or a divider over you?" And he said to the crowd, "Take heed and beware of covetousness, for a man's life consisteth not in the abundance of the things which he possesseth." Then Jesus told a parable to them, saying, The ground of a certain rich man brought forth plentifully.
And he thought within himself, saying, What shall I do, because I have no room where to bestow my fruits? And he said, This will I do, I will pull down my barns and build greater, and there will I bestow all my fruits and my goods. And I will say to myself, Thou hast much of all you need laid up for many years. Take it easy, eat, drink, and be merry.
But God said unto him, Thou fool, this night thy soul shall be required of thee. Then whose shall those things be which thou hast provided?
So is he that layeth up treasure for himself, and is not rich toward God. Success is good, but your heart will be fuller if you share your success with your brethren and your neighbor. Praise be to God.